Hi everyone, welcome to or back to my channel and to another Plan With Me video. Today I am using these washi tapes from the Coffee Monsters Co. Advent Calendar, and this week is actually the week of Christmas. So I am planning for last week instead of the week before today, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is because I didn't really plan on doing the advent calendar video. But anyways, Happy New Year everyone. I hope 2023 is a great year for all of you guys, and me too, of course. But yeah, Happy New Year. I wish you guys all the best, and let's get into the video. So first, I'm just starting off with putting down the washi tape. And I love how the two that were in the duo set, obviously they go together really well. And they also went really well with the colors of the sticker book that I'm going to be using today. So I decided to use it, and it was really satisfying to see the colors mix kind of perfectly. And as you can see, I am using the abstracts kit. That's what it's called. But I got this from Michael's, and as you can see, I'm showing it here because I forgot to show you guys in the beginning. But yeah, I love this kit because it has a lot of functional stickers, and as you can see, there's a lot of these goal boxes. So yeah, there's also this swatch sticker, which you probably saw if you watched my whole video, but I wanted to incorporate at least one of the stickers in this spread somehow. So I wanted to put it in the corner, but I wasn't sure if I should layer it over or under the washi. But in the end, I just ripped up the washi so that it didn't cover the sticker. And I feel like that turned out really well. I feel like it looks the best, kind of. I didn't rip the washi perfectly though, but I still love how it looks. Moving on to Monday, I am going to be using this Tombow dual brush pen for the swatches for my lessons and stuff. And I feel like this color also really goes well with the kit. So this week in general, a lot of the things were pretty well coordinated, which is satisfying. But yeah, so on Monday, I had a Mandarin lesson in the afternoon because my school didn't have winter break yet. I believe we started on the 23rd. Like, our winter break for us started on the 23rd, which is very late compared to other school systems. But yeah. Anyways, on Monday, I had a Mandarin lesson, and then I wanted to practice piano because this week I had to record a piece for a test or something. Either a test or a competition. I forgot. And then I had a math league class, and then more piano practice, and then piano theory. And I used this big full box because frankly I didn't really do much on Monday. So I wanted to sort of block off a bit of the day, or so it doesn't look too like blank, if you know what I mean. And then I had to plan some videos and then review some math. Moving on to Tuesday, as you can see, I kind of struggled with this full box here. I meant to layer a full box and this clear kind of quote foiled sticker. Originally, I was just going to put down the clear sticker, but then I realized since my planner has lines, it might overlap with the foil. So I wanted to layer it on top of a solid kind of full box. It took a while because I did not realize that there was a today on that sticker, but I made it work in the end and it looks really nice. On Tuesday, I didn't really do much except for working on more piano and piano theory and a science project that was due on Wednesday. So I just put that there and blocked off the rest of the time with a few more decorative stickers. I like how it turned out, but I don't know. I hope it isn't too obvious that I wasn't that productive on Tuesday. Anyways, moving on to Wednesday, I had to work on the science project that I was talking about. We finished it on Wednesday because it was due on Thursday. Did I just say it was due on Wednesday? Sorry, I meant like it was due on Wednesday evening, but I still had time to work on it on Wednesday, so I worked on it. And then I did more piano theory, and then I used this really pretty full box on the bottom. And this kit is actually meant for a different planner. I believe it's for the Happy Planner, but it fits in my planner, and so I decided to use it. The only thing is that the full boxes are a bit bigger, but yeah. On Wednesday, I also did some pre-calculus homework, and yeah. Moving on to Thursday. This was the last day before winter break for me, so I wanted to mark that down with this little fun day sticker from the kit. And I'm pretty sure I mentioned this before, but my planner is a bit weird. The first 3 days, the boxes are slightly wider than 1.5 inches, and the last few days are slightly thinner than 1.5 inches. So if I use a standard kit in which the full boxes, or the boxes in general, are 1.5 inches wide, then it usually doesn't work out because on the first page everything is kind of stuck in the middle and not centered, and then on the second page everything's kind of sticking out, so you can kind of see it a bit more in this spread because I used a lot of boxes, but it's okay. It doesn't bother me that much, so I hope it doesn't bother you. On Thursday, anyways, I did quite a few things. I first wanted to finish some social studies classwork that I didn't finish in class, and then I did more piano before my actual piano lesson, and then I marked that I wanted to find out what my next book club book was, so I had to look in my emails for that. And then some Mandarin homework because I procrastinate and the lesson is on Friday, so I did the homework on Tuesday or Thursday. Sorry. And then I wanted to work on the Advent video and then the essay for a school. And then Friday was the first day of winter break for me, and like the first full day, of course. Thursday was when it actually started, but on Friday I started off the day by working on more of my essay. I believe I talked about the essay in my other plan with me, or no, I'm not sure. But basically I was planning on finishing the essay this week, but I ended up finishing it on the 26th, which was the Monday of the week after, but I still finished it in time. The deadline was today, actually, before the new year, so yeah. Anyways, on Friday in the morning, I had another Mandarin lesson, and then Friday was a pretty exciting day. We went out for lunch at one of my favorite restaurants, and we had dessert at one of my favorite ice cream shops. So lunch was a very fun what event? what do you call, I don't know. And then I worked more on my Advent video, and then I had to practice some more piano. And then, as I said, Friday was an exciting day because at dinner we met up with some friends that I haven't seen in a while, and then we had dinner at their house, so that was really nice. I meant to write in the box that I read some of my book club book there, but I think I forgot what I was supposed to write when I was actually planning, so I just filled it up with some random stuff. Then I finished the day with finishing my classwork that I said I hadn't finished, and then working more on the essay. On moving on to Saturday, the kit didn't have a weekend banner sticker or anything like that, so I just used this sticker that looked like it went for about 2 days. So I just put it down. As I said, the boxes are thinner, so it kind of trailed off on the end there, but it's okay. On Saturday, I worked on the essay again, and then I did some math homework and then more piano practice. And then I put down this really cool full box. I think it looks really interesting. Like, if the kit was more like that, I feel like it would have made more sense to name it abstracts. But I don't know. From what I can tell, like the other stickers don't really have this kind of abstract pattern. So it just is a blue kit to me. But it's okay. And on Saturday, I marked that I just basically worked on the essay the entire day. And then Sunday was Christmas, so I put that down with a little rainbow sticker from a different kit just so that it would stand out a bit. And then in the morning, I got to open some presents, and then I continued editing the Advent video because it was supposed to go up on Sunday, but of course, procrastinator me, I did not finish before Sunday. So yeah, in fact, I am editing this video 2 hours before it's supposed to go up. So I guess that tells you something about me. Anyways, we got a new photo printer, and so we wanted to set it up and print out some photos that I took. And then we met up with my Mandarin teacher in person because she came down to where we live. But yeah, and then I worked on the essay again. And then at the end of the day, I wanted to pull some stickers for this next plan with me, I believe. Not really sure what I was going for there. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. This is the end of the video. And again, everyone have a happy new year. And I wish you guys the best for this new year. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!